Break any bad habit. Science-based strategies. Identify the habit. Start by clearly identifying the habit you want to change. Studies show that naming the behavior increases awareness and self-control. Clarity is the first step toward transformation. Understand the trigger. Every habit has a cue. It could be stress, boredom, or a specific time of day. Research in behavioral psychology shows that recognizing triggers allows you to intercept the habit loop before it starts. Analyze the reward. Habits persist because they provide a reward, pleasure, relief, or social approval. Understanding the reward helps you find healthier alternatives that satisfy the same need. Use replacement behaviors. Instead of simply trying to stop, replace the habit with a positive behavior. Neuroscience shows that new habits form faster when they fulfill a similar reward pathway in the brain. Start small and specific. Focus on micro-changes. Breaking large habits into smaller, achievable steps leverages the brain's natural reinforcement system and reduces overwhelm. Employ environmental design. Change your surroundings to reduce cues for the habit. Research indicates that removing triggers from your environment makes unwanted behaviors less automatic and easier to avoid. Use delayed gratification. Train yourself to delay the reward of the habit. Studies show that practicing self-control and pausing for even a few seconds can weaken the habit loop over time. Track progress and celebrate wins. Keep a journal or use an app to monitor progress. Neuroscience demonstrates that acknowledging small wins reinforces the new behavior and strengthens motivation. Leverage social support. Share your goal with friends or join a group. Research in social psychology shows that accountability and encouragement from others significantly improve habit-breaking success. Practice consistently and be patient. Habits are neural pathways. Changing them takes time and repetition. Studies indicate that consistent practice, patience, and self-compassion are crucial for long-term success. Celebrate small improvements and keep going.